Now, in the previous video, I have discussed about psi major axis, psi minor axis, and distance of one of the foci from the center, and also in the definition of the ellipse and the relationship between A, B, and C. Now, the relation which I have derived, that is relation between A, B, and C, and I got it as B square plus C square is equal to A square. Now, special cases. If C equal to 0, अगर C 0 हो जाए तो what it implies? It implies B square equal to A square. It means B equal to A. और अगर B A के इक्वल हो जाए तो यानी कि मेरे पास क्या बन जाएगा? सर्कल बन जाएगा. Then ellipse converted into circle. After it, second case, if B equal to 0, B equal to 0. So what it implies? It implies C square equal to A square. It implies C equal to A. तो C A के इक्वल हो जाएगा. जैसे एलिप्स है ये, तो ये C है, C A के इक्वल हो तो क्या बन जाएगा? Then ellipse converted into straight line. तब ये स्ट्रेट लाइन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ये खत्म हो जाएगा आपका, पूरा का पूरा लाइन बन जाएगी आप. Now I am going to discuss with you eccentricity. In eccentricity, it is the ratio of distances E is equal to C upon A. C है distance of one of the foci from center of ellipse, and A distance of one of the vertex from the center. The ratio of C and A is equal to eccentricity. It is the most important point in the ellipse. If E is less than 1, if the value of the ratio is less than 1, it generates ellipse. If E is equal to 1, it generates parabola. If E greater than 1, it generates hyperbola. Okay? Now I am going to discuss with you the equation of ellipse. Now, for equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse. Now, see here. F1, F2 foci, vertex AA dash, BB dash, X, XX dash, Y, YY dash, its coordinates, distance C है तो C, 0, it is minus C, 0, This is a comma 0. This is minus a comma 0. This is 0 comma b. This is 0 comma minus. As unit distance of one vertex from the center is a, if the center lies at origin and axis along coordinate axis, it is called standard ellipse. Or in your syllabus, there is only standard ellipse. Now I am going to discuss with the equation of the ellipse. It is P. Now let us suppose the general coordinates of this point P is x, y. Join F2 with P and F1 with P. In the previous video, I have discussed with you that PF1 plus PF2 is always equal to 2a. And now PF1, P of distance, क्या है ये x plus c whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus PF2, apply the distance formula, x minus c whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 2a. If you want to solve it, transfer one of the radical term to the right side. You have learned this in class 10 that whenever two radical term occurs and you want to solve it, we transfer one of the radical term to the right side. Now squaring both sides, what I have, x plus c whole square plus y square is equal to 2a square plus इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो x माइनस सी स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू ए इंटू बी. Now y square cancelled by y square. Just open the square, x square plus 2cx plus c square 4a square plus x square minus plus c square minus 2cx plus 4a root x minus c square plus y square. Now x square cancelled by x square, c square cancelled by c square, and now I have transferred 2cx to left hand side, it becomes 4cx, transfer this to left hand side minus 4a square, in the right side I have 4a root x minus c whole square plus y square. Now 4 cancel. Again now two radical terms are here, now one is vanished, rest is 1. Again squaring it, so what I have, c square x square plus a4 minus 2cxa square equal to a square into squaring square हो जाएगा x square minus 2cx plus c square or plus y square. Now it is a4 plus c square x square minus twice c a square x, in the right side a square x square minus 2a square cx plus a square c square plus a square y square. Now 2a square cx to a square cx cancelled, and transfer this c square to the right side. What I have, a square minus c square into x square. One is this, a square y square as this. Transfer a square c square to left side. From this one and this one, take out a square common. So what we have, a square minus c square. Clear? And now, up to this step, any problem? Further, you have to divide both sides by a right side. A square divide both sides by a square into a square minus c square. If you divide it, get 1, put it on the right side. In the left side, what I have, x square upon a square, ये cancel हो जाएगा, plus y square upon a square minus c square. And you know the relationship between ABC, that is a square is equal to b square plus c square. So a square minus c square is equal to b square. So you can write x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. This is the equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse. Here x-axis along major axis along x-axis and vertical axis along y-axis. Now if we interchange it, suppose I have the ellipse of this type in which major axis along y-axis and semi-major axis lies along x-axis, then equation converts into, let us suppose it is A, it is A, it is B, it is B. Now major axis 2A, minor axis 2B, and the coordinate of foci becomes, this is F1, this is F2, F1 becomes 0, C, and F2 becomes 0, minus C. Vertex becomes A, 0, A, and here it becomes 0, minus A. It is B, 0, this is minus B, 0. And equation becomes, इक्वेशन आ जाएगी इसकी एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. अब आपके पास इक्वेशन यहां लिखता हूं, नीचे दिखाई दे रहा होगा, यहां लिखता हूं. जो इसकी इक्वेशन है, दिस बिकम्स एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ वर्टिकल. इसको बोलते हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल इलिप्स. दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल इलिप्स एंड दिस इज वर्टिकल इलिप्स. वर्टिकल इलिप्स. बस वर्टिकल इलिप्स में क्या खास बात है, देखो इसका अगर x का डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है, डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज ग्रेटर देन द डिनोमिनेटर वाई स्क्वायर, इट बिकम्स हॉरिजॉन्टल. और y का डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा हो गया तो आपका वर्टिकल आ जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? Okay, sir. And that's the part I am going to discuss in the next